This video is all about cleaning of alternator winding. When I joined the ship, I found alternator winding was heavily dusted with bauxite or dust, and I found it is very risky. So that's why I tried to clean it up. So here is a video in which you can see how bauxite ore was fully deposited on the windings, and it may cause overheating, and due to the overheating, winding may go wrong. Overheating can cause ice-clarity, heat loss, and can cause burning or overheating of the winding. So here I have used quick drying type electro cleaner, which is having the property of quick drying. So when I was cleaning the winding, the dust was coming to the base plate, and it was quickly drying. Only thing, it was evaporative, and without eye gears it can cause irritation in your eyes. So I recommend you to wear a proper eye gear, helmet, and chemical gloves can protect your hands. Even you can use cotton gloves also, but I recommend to use chemical gloves so that it will not cause any irritation on your hands. So let's see how I was doing the job. All the three generators was heavily dusted, as the felt filter was there, but felt filter was not able to handle these small minute dust particle of bauxite ore, and was just rushing to the windings. Even I found this bauxite ore dust was in the evaporator coil of the AC, and it corroded the evaporator coil heavily. So I found it to clean on time so that it cannot damage it. So it was a Tayo alternator. You can see the specification over here by pausing the video, and further on I recommend you to just have a look when you join the ship what is the condition of the winding, so that overheating can be minimized. So I found the spraying nozzle on the ship, and the quick drying type electro cleaner was there. So I took the opportunity, took the permission from chief engineer, and then electrical isolation and all, and then I attempted this job. So see how was helped by my crew to remove the dust of bauxite ore from the base plate, and afterwards I will show you the condition after cleaning. So here you can see in the pictures how nicely it was cleaned, no dust, and then I placed the felt filter and box it back.